Hello guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, TOEFL speaking question 1, personal choice questions. I'll tell you my templates and tips. We all know there are only 15 seconds for preparation. So how to organize answers in a short time and how to practice daily are what I want to tell you today. Let's get started. In question 1, you will be asked if you agree or disagree with the statement or pick between two different topics. You have only 15 seconds to prepare and 45 seconds to speak your answer. No matter how different question 1 will be, the key is to test your abilities in stating your opinions clearly and logically. This is my template, very easy. Always state your opinion at the beginning, then provide 2 reasons and 2 examples. No need to write conclusions, and don't spend too much time changing the template like me. This was the biggest mistake that I made. Pay attention to the blanks. How to organize quickly to fill in them? Before we move on, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you. First, choose a topic that you are familiar with in English. You have more vocabulary, phrases, and ideas on this side. Don't choose only because you like it, and make a decision quickly. You only have 15 seconds to prepare. For this example, whether you want to buy a house or invest in a stock, which one will you choose? I will choose a house. Talking about a house is easier since I don't know much about a stock. So this is my introduction sentence. I will buy a house instead of a stock. Second, develop the 2 reasons by using clusters like time, money, gym, etc. For example, when it comes to time, reasons can be saving time, increasing efficiency, or time-consuming. Practice developing 2 reasons in daily life. For example, you can ask yourself if people should wear masks since we are in pandemic. Give 2 reasons right now. For this question, if you pick buy a house, the reasons could be make dreams come true, easy to get profits, and live a stable life. If you pick buy a stock, you can also develop reasons like make dreams come true, easy to get profits, and convenience for selling. You can even use the same clusters for different topics. Since I chose buy a house at the beginning, these are my 2 reasons. First reason, this is my childhood dream. Second, it's a good investment. 1 reason, 1 sentence. Third, provide 2 examples for further details of your reasons. They make your reasons more convincing. You can use examples from yourself, friends, or others. No need to use real examples. These are my examples. First one is that when I was young, I had a bad landlord, so it's my dream to buy a house. Second, my friend Tom made more money with a house than his stocks. When you talk about examples, pay attention to tense of verbs. We usually use past tense to talk about stories. If you don't have much to say in the end, you can add a conclusion. Practice more on giving reasons and examples every day. Please share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See ya!